Meaning of disinfect.
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 Disinfect. The term disinfect refers to the process of eliminating harmful microorganisms, such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi, from surfaces or objects. This is typically achieved through the use of chemical agents, such as bleach or alcohol, which are designed to kill or inactivate the germs. The result of proper disinfection is that the surface or object is rendered safe for use, as the harmful microorganisms have been destroyed or removed. Disinfection is a critical part of preventing the spread of infectious diseases and maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in homes, hospitals, and other environments.